Good morning, everybody. And yesterday, I received my selfie stick and tripod. I'm pleased with it, and so I can show you how to cook now, rather than reverse back, explain how to eat it. And today I'm going to show you how to cook one of the most simple but most popular Chinese dishes, which is tomatoes fried with egg. So for myself, I have 2 eggs, and I need to beat it properly. So as you can see, beat it hard. You can use the fork or something, or the proper beater. And then now I have chopped tomatoes to this kind of size. Can you see? I found these tomatoes is the best. When you choose tomatoes, it's best to choose red one and a little bit red, a little bit soft. That means really wrapped well. If it's very hard and green, that actually I heard that could be a little bit of poisons. And then I added some shiitake mushroom, which you can get from all the major supermarkets now. It's very, very healthy mushroom. And now, what I used is some olive oil, and just cover the bottom of the pan. Not too much, because too much oil is not good for you, it's fattening. And then now I'm going to turn the cooker on to full heat, and I'll wait till the oil a little bit warm, and then I'll put the egg in. So with olive oil, you don't wait until it starts smoking really, because the smoking point is low. I mean, this dish can go with almost everything, like rice, noodles, bread. Especially if the English bread, you fry a little bit with a little bit of olive oil, and it goes well as well. And you always win with this dish, and it's so quick. It's like an omelette really, but they even call it a national dish of China, because the color is similar to the flag. It's red and with yellow stars. So red tomatoes and yellow eggs. So now we put the egg in now. I don't waste food. I think which is good. I got this from my father, and he doesn't waste food and doesn't waste nothing really. But I enjoy quality, but I don't waste. And now put this here. I got this plate is for the dish, and now you don't really stir too much at this stage. So you just let it slowly cook into firm from the liquid. I mean, food does cheer me up really, unless I'm really unhappy that I'll stop eating, but more likely I'll eat more when I have the stress. And well, at least keep me alive, but it's not really good for weight really. But now I'll try to walk more. Heat it up a little bit to be a little bit crispy. It tastes better. I wear gloves. I'll explain this, because first of all I like to protect my hand, because I use my hand to play music, and also I found sometimes the oil splash onto me. It left a little scar on once I forgot to wear gloves, so I always wear gloves when I cook. Looks funny, but it's good for protecting me really. And now we put the tomatoes in. Look at that. Stir them. That's how we call it stir fry. Let you cook a bit. Explain what you need after. First of all, we use the oil, and secondly, we use soya sauce. But recently, I got this Japanese one, so I'll try. But this is all-purpose, and so far, I still prefer the light soya sauce I used before, the Hong Kong ones. And then I'll go this white rice vinegar. It's a vinegar made of rice, and I'm going to put a little bit of rice because I found it tastes better, and also rice is good for your health. Sugar not really. And then I've got a little bit of salt. I'll use it later. So with this vinegar, you can use any kind of vinegar, apple cider vinegar, or any vinegar you have really. So it's getting a bit hot now, and we need to let the tomato go soft, and that will give it better taste. I mean, these tomatoes, these little red tomatoes, it's 1 pound for about 10, and I buy them regularly. I found it's good enough to eat just like that. It's very sweet, very juicy, and it's totally ripe normally. But if you want to keep it in the fridge for a few days, you don't buy the really red, really soft ones. But if you want to eat immediately, you buy the soft ones. And I buy according to my plan. So now we put a little bit soya sauce in. I mean, I don't really measure it much because I'm quite good with things. I just feel that I should put how much, and then it turned out to be correct. A little bit more. And then when it is almost ready, you put salt in. You don't normally put salt at the beginning of the cooking. That's what I learned. Well, I read a lot, but I learned myself really with cooking. And sometimes if you don't like too dry, you can add a little bit of water. The juice is also very good as well. Sometimes when I'm really hungry, I'll drink the juice as well. Almost done now. I like the tomato really well done because it can become you don't really taste the sharpness anymore when it's really done. So give it a little bit of oil. No, sorry, salt. And because don't eat too much salt, it's not good for many things. I reduced it since my blood pressure got up, and it's not nice if you have some health condition really. Right, things done now. So it looks how simple. Put them on the plates. Look, tomatoes fried with egg with shiitake mushroom. Enjoy. I'm going to enjoy with some rice soup now.